UAFS offers a variety of community workforce training programs. We start as young as high school with the Western Arkansas Training Center. Students can learn everything from robotics to computer-integrated machining, network engineering technology to electronics technology. All of those credits actually transfer fully into the university, where students can continue a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering technology or even advanced manufacturing engineering. There's manufacturing, and then there's advanced manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing is the integration of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and digital components, basically large data, where we're integrating not only traditional engineering with applied engineering concepts, but also data science and business. Essentially, manufacturing is becoming more informed by technology so that firms can respond better to changes in consumer demand, rising production costs, and also supply chain challenges. This is an exciting time to be in Fort Smith because there are a lot of things that are changing, and in particular, those changes are centering on manufacturing. Not only do we have partners who are already integrating technology into the manufacturing process, but many have plans to continue to do that into the future. We're building out a whole new degree program in advanced manufacturing, a Bachelor of Science, that promises to really change the way that students in engineering think about producing goods for the region. There is not a degree program like this in the state or really in the close region. Ultimately, what will happen is other companies who aren't even in Fort Smith will choose to locate in Fort Smith because we have both the workforce and also the education that workforce that maybe is not here yet will need in order to satisfy their needs.